Save the best for last. Here's an easy open large Barlow. It's 3 3/4. Sheepsfoot blade, long nail pull, elongated fluted boasters, file work. And he used black liners on these. They barely show up, but it really brings out the grain, in my opinion. You can see the spacer just below the bolster. Diamond shield, easy open, cut out of the liners too, steel. You've got steel back in that. He file works the entire spring for you guys. And once again, one finger. That one's got a little more bang to it. You got perfect alignment here. Just flows. You see the guide on both sides of the blade. I want to show you something right here. You see the thickness of the spine? See this one's thinner? He'll change that with a pattern to give you a thinner profile without taking anything away from the blade, without taking anything away from the knife. He's just always thinking. The Easy Out Barlow is also $4.50 and in Sneezewood. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good knife day.